I am M. D. Abdul Rahman. I am English teacher. How Srizoni Model, Madhyamik Vidyapit, Munshiyat, Pushwar, Munshiyat, Chorai. How are you, my learners? Today, my lesson plan, food and nutrition, lesson 1, good food. What is good food? Good food is a food. It contains natural substance. What is natural substance? Natural substance means rice, vegetables, meat, fish, etc. What is Mrs. Rehna talking about in our class? Mrs. Rehna talking in our class. Good food. Why do we eat food? We eat food. We mainly. Every man eat food daily. Man cannot live without it. Why is made by nutrition food? Nutrition food means natural substance. Good food means nutrition food. Nutrition food, it contains good food, such as meat, banana, fish, meat, dal, daily routine, and person eat. A healthy man must nutrition food. If a man may be healthy, he wants to be healthy. If a man may be healthy, he eats daily natural food and nutrition food. Why made by nutrition food? Nutrition food is a natural substance. It contains all kinds of food. How much food does a person? How much food does a person need to eat a day? We can see on the blackboard how much food does a person need to eat a day, whereas a hardworking person, a child, must be different food. A child and young man and hardworking person. Between not same kind of food. Does everyone need to the same amount of food? No. Everyone needs the same amount of food. Because why? Because a person, a hardworking person and a young man not same kinds of food per day. A hardworking person, he eats daily routine contain natural foods, feeds, meats, dal, vegetable, soup, etc. A day laborer is a hardworking person. Morning to evening, his food is better. His content daily routine, natural substance and nutrition. Without nutrition food, a man cannot be healthy. Without nutrition food, he cannot be healthy. Nutrition food means may be healthy tomorrow. He better life. So we should daily routine. We eat natural food. We must clean and all the time when we eat food, we should our hand, face and body wash regularly. When a man early in the morning, he gets up his bed. He throws some rules. He must have three activities. A person has three activities. One of the morning activities. He gets up early in the morning. He walks in the fresh air and brush his teeth and wash his face. After getting his breakfast. At first, when he eats first routine, he eats banana, nutritional food, banana, roti, dal, etc. When he second routine, midtime, he eats rice, meat, fish, dal, etc. afternoon, second breakfast, afternoon, some roti, banana, milk, etc. In the afternoon, in the evening, we should prayer, then so far when he eats rice, meat, fish, etc. We can see that on the blackboard. Food and nutrition. Lesson 1, food. What is Vishen Rehna talking about? Why do we eat food? Why is meant by nutrition food? How much food does a person need to eat a day? Does everyone need the same kind amount of food? Why? We remember a person wants maybe health. He needs more good food daily. If he does not eat a balanced diet, maybe not good healthy man in future. His life is very short. He does not think any work in future. He does not work very hard. From the beginning, a child, when he gets enough eat nutrition food, his health may be good. When an unhealthy person may not be healthy because he does not eat more nutrition food. His life is short. He cannot think more and more. On the other hand, we can see that as like a doctor, a teacher, engineer, other service holder in the society, they eat more nutrition food and his health and condition is better because from the beginning they are conscious their health. They are conscious their health. What is Vishen Rehna talking about? Why do we eat food? We eat food so that we may live. From the beginning, we can or from the beginning we eat food because good food means nutrition food. We eat food. A man eat food. He may be healthy and we may live. a man does not eat food, he cannot live. Eat food means natural substance. Natural substance such as fish, meat, dal, and other things. It is called a nutrition food and good food. A good food must be a person eat daily routine and he eats a nutrition food all the time or all the routine. How much food does a person? We can see that a society, various kinds of person, is strong, healthy, small, others, varieties person in the society. Have you understand? A person does not eat nutrition food. His body and other side is low. He is suffer in the long run. He cannot live more time. He cannot more works. He cannot work more, so that he does not know nutrition food. Nutrition food is a very kind of food and it is a good food. It is an ideal food. Ideal food, milk is a ideal food, dal, meat and others. Today my lesson is good food. Your life, you may a better life. This one, my lesson plan is good food. My lesson is finished. You may be better life in future. You must wear mask and distance. You must wear better. In future, my lesson is